welcome to After Hours Engineering, update number 2. Well, I certainly haven't fallen off a cliff, but I have felt like I surely have. Work has finally caught up with me. I'm doing a lot of it. I've got another contract on the side, so I've had a lot less time to work on this project, and I really like working on it. And we've got a long way to go in order to finish a system on a chip kind of an arrangement. But nonetheless, I've found a little bit of time to make progress, albeit a little bit slow, and I managed to program Mac9's new Konfekt 2. So I got this one as well. This is the Tiger board, and I've got it connected up through the JTAG wires right here onto the actual Konfekt computer itself. And it's very similar to the Schoko in that it has an ECP5 on it with 32 megs of static RAM on here, or pseudo-static RAM on it, Type A port, SD card flash, and HDMI port. So it doesn't really have any PMODs. About the only wires that it has extra flying off of it are these two extra pins here, which you probably would use for a UART component if you put one together. And it does have an audio jack down here below and the Type C for programming it. So I'll cover very briefly the UART work that I've been doing. It's very basic, but it's not a lot of work for the time that I've spent, and I'm getting ready to transition over to the VGA. I want to play with the VGA on the Schoko board. Has the VGA port right here. So the next thing I'd like to work on in the next episode is a very brief update on the UART piece, and then I'll look at programming this VGA port on the Schoko. And again, it's attached to a Tiger board via the JTAG port here. That's the big difference. This is again an ECP5, same RAM, but it has two PMOD ports. And of course on the back side of it, I don't think I showed this the last time, is the MMOD attachment here, which you can unplug and plug in different pieces with it. So stick with me. I hope to maybe in another month or two have things coming along. One of the things that I want to do, and it's been bothering me, is that I do some of my after hour work is neuromorphic engineering, and I've messed around with a single neuron. I've got some software written, and I kind of wanted to do some episodes like that. Now I understand that the majority of people subscribe to the channel are interested in the FPGA part, and I can understand that. But if you don't want to watch the episode, just ignore it. I'll put it in a playlist so you can easily block it out if you don't want to see it. But I will be keeping up with the FPGA, because one of my goals with all of these FPGAs is to try to get a neural network running on these. Now FPGAs are not very good at it, but you can do some pretty neat things with them, and I hope to do that. So just look forward to some upcoming episodes on a variety of things. And again, I apologize for taking a long time to come out with some of these videos. Hopefully work will calm down a bit and I'll be able to put more time into these. So until next time, peace.